Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions now. You must be on the same Wi-Fi and have the receiving device powered. Once confirmed, pull down Control Center or open the device's quick settings. Tap Screen Mirroring or AirPlay to view connections. You'll see the active target highlighted. Don't disconnect yet. Instead, note its name so you don't disable the wrong device. This sets up a controlled stop rather than interrupting other streams. Once you see the active receiver, you act decisively. Select it to reveal options and choose Stop Mirroring or Disconnect. You do this because toggling off at the source cleanly ends the stream and freeze network and display resources. If the option is absent, swap output to the device itself or select a different receiver to break the link. Make sure to watch for a confirmation or a brief black screen. That signals the mirroring session has ended properly. You finish by confirming the mirroring icon is gone and the remote display returned to normal. This ensures the session truly ended. If mirroring persists, first stop and restart the app or toggle Wi-Fi off and on, then retry disconnecting. If problems continue, reboot both devices. That clears stuck sessions. As a last resort, reset network settings. Know this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. If you still can't stop mirroring, check for software updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.